Good morning dear student. In this video we are going to study our third unit of GK subject. Our third unit is Plant Around Us. In this unit we are going to study our 10th chapter Parts of Plant, 11th chapter Food from Plants and 12th chapter Healthy Fruits.
See children, we are going to see our 10th chapter Plant Parts. In this chapter we are going to see all the parts of plant and what are the function of the parts of the plants. The first picture is of roots. What is the function of the root? It absorbs water and minerals from the soil, and so we will be writing the spelling of roots here. The second picture is of stem. What is the function of the stem? It carries water and minerals to the other parts of the plant, and so we will be writing the spelling of stem here. The next picture is of leaves. What is the function of the leaves? It makes food for the plants, and so we will write the spelling of leaves here. The next picture is of fruit. What is the function of the fruit? It stores extra food for the plant, and so we will write the spelling of fruit here. The next picture is of seed. What is the function of the seed? It have tiny plant inside them, and so we will write the spelling of seed here. The next picture is of flowers. What is the function of the flowers? It stores seeds or grow into fruit. So we will be writing here. Our next chapter is food from plants. In this chapter there are different food groups given, and in these food groups we are going to write in this space. The first picture is of fruit. So we will be writing here the spelling of fruit in this column. The second picture is of dal. It is also called pulses. So we are going to write the spelling of pulses here. The third picture is of maize, wheat, rice. These are called cereals. So we will write the spelling of cereals here. The next picture is of vegetable. So we will write the spelling of vegetable here. The next group is oil. All these bottles are oil bottle, and we will be writing in this column. So these are all the food item that we get from the plants. Our next chapter is healthy fruit. In this chapter there are some pictures given, and we are going to write the names of these pictures. The first picture is of custard apple, and so we will write the spelling of custard apple here. The next picture is of kiwi fruit, and so we will be writing kiwi here. The next picture is of apricot fruit, so we have to write the apricot spelling here. The next picture is of strawberry, and so we are going to write the spelling of strawberry here. This is a picture of a star fruit, so you have to write the spelling of star fruit here. This picture is of grapefruit, and so we will be writing the spelling of grapefruit here.